Imagine this. It's a quiet morning in a Tokyo park. A 92-year-old grandmother bends down and touches her toes effortlessly, no groaning, no bracing, no holding onto anything for balance. Her movement is smooth, controlled, and youthful. Meanwhile, in many Western countries, people decades younger struggle to put on socks without sitting down. So, what's going on here? Researchers from multiple Japanese universities have been studying the movement habits of older adults for more than a decade. Their findings reveal something remarkable. A large percentage of Japanese seniors maintain mobility, flexibility, and joint health far into their 80s and 90s, significantly more than the Western population. And it's not because they spend hours exercising, take special supplements, or follow strict workout plans. Instead, they engage in simple, gentle movements each night before bed, movements that support joint lubrication, flexibility, circulation, and nervous system relaxation. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 doctor approved nighttime movements that Japanese seniors commonly use. These movements promote better joint health, reduce stiffness, and improve sleep quality. They're safe for most adults, require no equipment, and together take about 12 to 15 minutes. Before we begin, drop a comment below with your age and country. I read every single one. Now, let's dive in. Move number 5, seated forward fold, 2 to 3 minutes. A gentle hamstring and spine release promoting flexibility and lower back relief. This classic movement, done nightly by many Japanese elders, acts like a reset button for the lower back and hamstrings. How to do it. Sit on the floor with your legs straight in front of you. Lengthen your spine as if a string is lifting the top of your head. Slowly walk your hands forward along your legs. Keep your spine long. No bouncing or forcing. Hold for 2 to 3 minutes, breathing slowly. If the floor feels too hard, sit on a folded blanket. If you can only reach your knees or shins, that's perfectly fine. Progress naturally. Why it works. Doctors explain that long, gentle stretches before bed help. Improve hamstring flexibility. Reduce tension in the lower back. Calm the nervous system. Support better sleep. A study from Kyoto Medical Center reported that consistent nightly stretching can significantly reduce lower back stiffness and improve forward bending ability in older adults. The key is consistency and gentle breathing. Over time, your nervous system begins to trust the position, allowing deeper relaxation. Move number 4, lying spinal twist, 90 seconds each side. A restorative movement that eases back tension and supports spine mobility. The lying spinal twist looks simple, but it provides profound relief for the spine and rib cage. How to do it. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet on the floor. Let your knees fall gently to one side. Keep both shoulders on the ground. Stretch your arms out like AT. Hold for 90 seconds, then switch sides. For added comfort, place a pillow between your knees. Why it works. Spine specialists explain that this movement reduces stiffness caused by daily compression, gently mobilizes the lumbar spine, improves rib mobility and deep breathing, prepares the body for restful sleep. Many adults experience limited rotation from sitting too much. Japanese seniors maintain spinal rotation through daily movement rituals. This twist helps decompress the spine and allows fluid to redistribute through the spinal discs. Breathe into the open side of your rib cage. This enhances mobility of the intercostal muscles, which tighten with age and shallow breathing. Move number 3, cat-cow spinal flow, 2 minutes. A rhythmic movement that increases spinal fluid circulation and reduces stiffness. Cat-cow is a fundamental movement in many cultures, including Japanese longevity practices, because it promotes healthy spinal motion. How to do it. Get onto your hands and knees. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone, cow. Exhale, round your spine upward, cat. Move slowly and continuously for 2 minutes. If your wrists feel sensitive, you can perform the movement on your forearms or place a towel under your hands. Why it works. Doctors and physical therapists recommend cat-cow because it promotes segmental movement through the entire spine, gently increases circulation of cerebrospinal fluid, reduces morning stiffness, improves balance by waking up deep core muscles, calms the nervous system. Research from Osaka University suggests that gentle nightly spine mobility movements can greatly improve next morning flexibility and decrease feelings of rigidity. Focus on moving smoothly, like a slow wave from your tailbone to your head. This is how Japanese elders perform it fluid, natural, and synchronized with breath. Move number 2, ankle and hip circles, 2 to 3 minutes. The most underrated movements for fall prevention and lower body mobility. Japanese seniors consistently prioritize ankle and hip mobility, two areas that dramatically impact stability and independence. Why these areas matter. The ankles and hips regulate balance, walking gait, knee alignment, ability to stand up, step over objects, and move safely. Loss of ankle mobility is one of the earliest signs of aging that most people never notice. How to do ankle circles. Sit on your bed with one leg extended. Make 10 slow circles clockwise, then 10 counterclockwise. Switch legs. How to do hip circles. Lie on your back. Bend one knee and draw it gently toward your chest. Make 5 controlled circles, then reverse. Switch legs. Why it works. Doctors highlight that ankle restrictions can cause compensation in the knees and hips. Improving ankle motion reduces unnecessary strain on the entire lower body. Hip circles, done slowly, help. Lubricate the hip joint. Maintain rotational mobility. Reduce stiffness after long periods of sitting. Enhance balance. This is why nightly ankle and hip mobility work is a cornerstone of Japanese elder fitness habits. Move number 1, legs up the wall, 3 to 5 minutes. A powerful restorative position for circulation, lymph flow, and joint comfort. This is one of the simplest and most therapeutic movements you can do before sleep. How to do it. Sit close to a wall. Lie back and raise your legs so they rest on the wall. Keep your hips about 6 inches away from the wall. Hold for 3 to 5 minutes while breathing deeply. You may place a folded blanket under your hips for added comfort. Why doctors recommend it. This gentle inverted position helps. Reduce swelling in the legs and feet. Ease tension in the lower back. Support lymphatic flow. Relieve end-of-day heaviness. Improve sleep quality by calming the nervous system. Many people experience nighttime stiffness because fluid collects in their legs throughout the day. Elevating the legs helps return that fluid to the central circulation before bedtime. If you feel tingling at first, that's normal. It's a sign that circulation is redistributing. Why these movements work best together. When performed in this order, these 5 movements. Gently stretch key muscle groups. Mobilize the spine. Support healthy joint lubrication. Improve circulation. Activate the parasympathetic, relaxation, nervous system. Prepare the body for deep, restorative sleep. This combination is what Japanese elders have mastered slow, intentional nighttime mobility that supports the body's natural repair processes. Consistent nightly practice over weeks and months can reduce stiffness, increase flexibility, improve balance, help relieve joint discomfort, enhance sleep quality, support general well-being. The secret isn't difficulty, it's consistency. Aging doesn't mean losing mobility. Your joints, muscles, and nervous system respond beautifully to gentle, regular movement, no matter your age. The Japanese elders you see bending, stretching, and moving gracefully in their 80s and 90s didn't start late. They started early and stayed consistent. You can start tonight. Your body will thank you tomorrow. Now, I want to hear from you. What movement has become harder for you over the years? Bending, twisting, getting up from the floor, or something else? Which of these 5 nighttime movements are you going to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. I love reading them.